Today we are creating animated balls which are bouncing balls. So this is what we are creating today. Colorful balls. We will learn how to add colors to a shape. Then we will learn how to add background color. And we will learn how to set velocity to these balls. And we are going to learn how to make them move and how to make them bounce from the edges. So this is really going to be an amazing task. So let's start creating this amazing work. So for that we need to go to P5.js editor. So this is what we came across. So what are we doing first let's give background. That is yellow. Then what are we doing? We are creating a rectangle. So we can name it as rectangle 1. So let's create the rectangle 1, which is ball 1 basically. So rectangle, then we will create the ball. So if I want the ball to be in the position, suppose I want it to be in the top. So 50, 30. Now I will make it as width and height both as 10. So let me run. I can see, yeah, its position is fine. Next, we are creating ball number 2. So you can simply copy this, paste it, and now ball 2 I want it in somewhat here, in this position. Where in this position, so means the x position would be same. The x position would be same, just the y position would be changed. So the y position would be 350. Means just 50 ahead of 400. So I'm sorry I was doing there, but it's fine. Now ball number 3. But wait, here what we have to do is we had to change x position here only, we didn't had to change y position. Of course, so that was a mistake, silly mistake. Now it's fine. Now let's create ball number 3. So you will simply, what you will do is, as we have did, copy this and we will paste it. Now I will make it in the position 30. We will change the y position. So means the x position would be same, just the y position would be different, right? It's 50. So then we are creating ball number 4. Again we can copy it. Then do ball number 4. So paste that the copied one. Now here we will make the y position to be same, just the x position change to 350. Now run. So the balls are successfully created. But now what we have to do is, we need to add if statements. What do we need to add? If statements. So how will we define that if this position is that? We can't define this. So we are making it a variable. We are making a variable which is let x position 1 is equal to same 50. We have created a variable that is named as x position 1. And here instead of 50 I am writing x position 1. Everything is same. Right? So secondly, same here we are doing let y position 1 is equal to 30. It is same, just we are adding it with a variable. And let it be now y position 1. Okay, Done. Nothing has been changed there. Now let's do for ball number 2. So the same thing we did for ball number 1, we can add comments to make our code more readable. So here we are doing coordinates of ball 1. You can copy the same thing and paste it 3 more times to make it 4 times. 2, 3 and 4. And now let's do the changes. Done. Variable is successfully created. Now let's do the changes. That is, here it is 350 and 30. 350, 30. So do the same here. 350, 30. Fine. Then in the third ball, 50, 350. It's 50 and 350. Fine. Now for the fourth ball, it's 350 and 350. So 350 and 350. Now let's add it here. X position 2 and Y position 2. Now same here. X position 3. Y position 3. X position 4, then Y position 4. Done. Nothing has been changed in the canvas. Right? Nothing has been changed in the canvas. So next what are we doing is, next we are making it move. So now we are making it move. How? We are doing that in ball 1. We are doing that X position 1 is equal to X position plus 1. We can see it's moving, isn't it? It's moving. Now same for Y position. 1 is equal to Y position 1 plus 1. So when I run, I can see its X position as well as Y position, both are moving. Right? Both are moving. So we are going to copy it and paste it here on. And do the required changes. Sorry, it will be the same only. Done. So now when I run again, is there a mistake? Oh yes. Here it's 4 only. Now we can see all are moving. Right? Now we are going to add some of the if statements. Now we are adding some of the if statements. Now what we are doing is, it is simple. Now we are adding if statements that if, let's make it complete. Now let's add our if statement here. If the ball's X position is more than, now then this, now this moving direction, like this is taking, let me remove this for once. Wait, what happened? Yes, yes. What's this? Let it be. So when I run, I want that if the X position or Y position exceeds the canvas, then its direction should be reversed. Means here, this +1 should be reversed. But how will we do it? For that we need to again create a variable, isn't it? We need to again create a variable. So we are creating one more variable, that is let the x1, means the direction, that be equal to 1, and let y1 is equal to 1. It's just direction. We are making it as direction. Then make it here 2, 2, 3, 3. Then 4, 4. Done. Now we will change it all here with x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3, x4, y4. Now when I run it, there is no change. Everything is fine. Now let's add the if statements now. It would be easy now for us to add. So let's add the if statement, that if so let's do that. If x position is greater or equal to width minus phi, or, so we are now adding one or statement also. Or statement is written like this, or the x position is equal to 15. Then what's going to happen? Then then x1 is equal to minus x1. So let's run to see the first one. Here's the first one. Yes. Now the same we will copy and paste for the y position. And instead of width, now because its y position is height, that is why we will do here height. Now let's run and take for the first one. Yes, all is good now. Everything is working all fine. Now what we'll do is we will copy it and paste in every ball. Then we will do the changes. Now let's do the changes. For ball 1 it's already we have done. Now for ball number 2. Now it's 3. Now let's run. So what we can see that the app is really bouncing, right? See, it's working fine. So next what we are doing is, it's all done. Let's add the shape colors. So we can just add one black. Copy it. Then paste here. White. And here purple. Now run. Yes. So here it's a mistake. We have to do here 3. We by mistake we wrote 13. Run. Yes, earlier it was giving an error. Now it's not. Now it's all fine. So with this we have completed and we have created our animated balls in JavaScript.